If you are someone who is trying to find that secret technique that has been hidden by people over centuries that can manifest things at the blink of an eye, then you are at the right place. I know your laziness demanded such techniques, and you are looking for them all over the internet in the hope that you find them someday. You even comment on posts and videos asking, which technique should I do to manifest X, Y, or Z desire? Well, in today's video, I am going to talk about Neville Goddard's principle, which is the core teaching of Neville Goddard and many spiritual teachers. This is the only thing that is required to manifest. All the other techniques that you hear about are just branches of this. It is imagination. Yes, imagination creates reality. According to Neville Goddard, if we use our imagination consciously, we can manifest our wildest dreams. Whatever you imagine, no matter how small or big, gets reflected in your world at some point in time. Neville's emphasis was on imagining the end result of having your desire. It means that you know what it is like to have it, how it smells, sounds, feels, tastes, and appears. It's the inverse of wanting your desire. If you're still hoping for it, you're not living from the end. You have not used your imagination properly. If your desire is to earn X amount of money, then your living from the end would be you already having that money. You have earned it. How does it feel to earn such an amount of money? Just ask this question. Maybe you're going on a vacation to somewhere exotic, buying the stuff you always wanted, living a lavish lifestyle, wearing great clothes, and driving the sports car you wanted. However, if you are only thinking about how to get it or when it will happen, you are simply wanting your desire rather than living in the end state of having it. Where it is, when it will happen, and how it will happen just imply that you don't have it. If you have it, then how, when, and where do not appear in your mind. So, you just have to keep a check on this. Are you living from the state of having your desire or from the point of wanting it? It is extremely simple to find this. Whenever your mind is waiting for your desire to manifest or seeking an answer for how, when, or where, then you are not on the correct path. Imagine that you already have what you want. That is the only truth when it comes to manifesting. So there is no such thing as a secret technique that has been kept from you for centuries by people. Imagining creates reality, which is the only principle that lets you manifest. Techniques are simply the tools you use to imagine. Techniques simply allow you to arrive at a state of wish fulfillment. Once you have imagined being the person who has received their desire, you do that over and over until it becomes your reality. This is the straight, simple answer to all your doubts. You may desire something you think you cannot afford, or you don't have the time or the know-how to enjoy it. You can think of 1,000 reasons why its possession is impossible, but hearing that imagination creates reality, you can imagine you have it. But to imagine is not enough. You must have faith enough in your imaginal act to believe in its reality. When you imagine you are the person you want to be, you must firmly believe you already are it. Then wait in faith for your assumption to appear in your world, for that imaginal act has its own appointed hour. It will ripen and flower. If it seems long to you, wait, for it is sure and will not be late. You are still imagining something, whether you are imagining having your desire or not. There is no other thing, in my opinion. Either you have it or you do not. The world around you was just imagined at some point in the past. So what are you imagining right now? What is your inner state? Now you know the principle of reality creation and how to use it. So, what are you going to manifest? What is it that makes your life easier and more comfortable? Now that's struck your mind, just imagine having it. Use whatever method gets you into the realm of wish fulfillment. But remember, there is no secret that has been hidden from you for ages. It's all about you and your imagination. The secret is imagining. Imagine many beautiful things, and you are free from the bonds of the past. I have used my imagination to manifest lots of things. When I get clear about the desire and imagine having it, opportunities start appearing before my eyes. If I want to manifest some extra money, my phone starts ringing with some new projects. Opportunities present themselves. So, what is stopping you? You don't need my permission to start this. Nothing is stopping you from having it. Not your old story, not your present circumstances. You can have it. You can have it now. Just imagine having it, remain there, and feel the feeling of having it. Then, when you come back to your physical senses, the world has changed dramatically. You never know what has happened behind the scenes, but everything has started working in your favor. After some hours, just go back and imagine that you already have it. Again, things have happened. Open your eyes, and you will have your desire. Accept it and enjoy it. It is your creation. With this, I hope you enjoyed my video today. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.